Hello everyone, welcome back to my next tutorial in NX. In this tutorial, we are going to model this component using NX. While modeling this component, always do the material addition features first, then go for the material removal feature. First I am going to create a cube, from that I will remove one by one. First I will start with this cut, then I will create this cut. Finally I will create this cut, then I will remove this one. After modeling this model in NX2312, the model will look like this. This is our model. Now we'll learn how to model this step by step in NX2312. First go to the file, new. Here we have to choose the type model, unit in mm, our units are in mm. Then provide a name, file name. Then choose the location, then save OK. For easy modeling, I'm just keeping this model in the left side and software in the right side. Then we can quickly see the dimension and draw. First we'll start with the cube. First go to the sketch. I'm just taking the front plane. Just save OK. Here you can see in the cube the total height is 75 and width is 100. Just take the rectangle, just put the random rectangle, press the roller to confirm, again press the roller to confirm. Now put the dimension. Here we need not to choose any command to take the dimension. Just simply click this line, you will get the height, it is 75, just press the enter. Here you just provide a name. You are editing the first dimension in the sketch. Do you want to scale the entire sketch? No, only scale this dimension. Then press the roller to confirm. Now just set the dimension to this. Double click this one. This one is 100. Press the roller to confirm. Now just make this sketch symmetric to the y-axis. This one is the make symmetric. Select this point and select this point. Finally select this axis. Then save OK. Now here you can see sketch is fully defined. Finish the sketch. Now you have finished the sketch, then go to the extrude. The total extrusion length is 65. Extrude, make it symmetric here. Length to extrusion is 65. Press enter. Just save OK. Now just hide the sketch. Now we have created this complete cube. Then we'll remove material one by one. First I am going to remove material here. This cut from the surface. Sketch. Select the surface. Make sure this red color arrow, this is the x-axis in the right side, to get the same view. Just save OK. Now we got the same view. Now here we make it entire assembly. Then take a rectangle, any one location in the sketch. Then here just right click, select the point, end point of the extrusion you can choose. Press the roller to confirm. Now set the dimension, click this line, this one is 100 only. Now we need to specify the height, which is here you can see, here it is 40, the remaining is 25. Here you can see total length is 65. That is we can specify directly also. Just click it here, just escape, click this line, double click here. We can 65 minus 40 we can specify, press enter. Do you want to scale the entire sketch? No. Just this. This point is not connected to this line. Make coincident. Take this point line. Take this one and this one. This one. And just save OK. Now specify the dimension, this one, which is 100, save OK. Now here you can see the sketch is fully defined. Then go to the finish sketch, extrude, just change the direction. Here the total height is 75 minus 25. So here you can specify 75 minus 25, just enter it. Just OK. Now we have removed, just hide the sketch. Then we just want to remove the cut off here. go to the sketch, select this one, make sure this red color axis, that is x-axis, in the right side, then only we will get the same view. Just say OK. Now we'll create the sketch. Take the rectangular again, make sure you are in the entire assembly or within the part, within work part only. Take line from here and finish it here. Now specify the dimension. Here and here it is 12. So from this line to this line the dimension is 12. Press enter, press the roller to confirm. Again here we just specify it as, which is 12. Then we need to specify the height. The height is 10. Just click it here. This one is 10. Press the roller to confirm. Now the sketch is fully defined. Then go to the finish sketch. Then go to extrude. Just change the direction. Here we just make it until next. Here inferred it will automatically take the subtract from the boolean. Just say OK. Just hide the sketch. Then we'll go for this cut. Go to sketch. Select the surface. Just say OK. Now here you are in the entire assembly. Just take the rectangle, any point in this line, and similarly here. Now just specify the dimension. Here it is 30, then both sides it is 30. Just from this line to this line it is 30. Press the roller to confirm. Again from this line to this line it is 30. Press enter, press the roller to confirm. Now we need to specify the height. The height is, here you can see, up to this length. So same it is, we can put the height is, here you can see 65 minus 40. 65 minus 40. Just say no. Press the roller to confirm. Here you can see sketch is fully defined. Right click, finish the sketch, then extrude. Just change the direction and make it to until next. Just say OK. Hide the sketch, then we will get a complete solid model only. Then we just want to remove this cut. For that, go to the sketch again, select the surface, say OK. Now just put the rectangle again. Now specify the dimension. Here it is 25. Same 25 you just specify it. From here to here the distance is 25. Press the roller to confirm. Again from here to here it is 25. Press the roller to confirm again. Now the height has to be defined, which is 20 here. Just 20. Press the roller to confirm. Now here you can see the sketch is fully defined. Finish the sketch. Extrude. Change the direction. The total height of extrusion is 40. 40. Just say OK. Hide the sketch. Now you can see the model is completed. To change the appearance of this model, go to the display. Go to the display. Edit object display. Select this object. Just say OK. Here you can see the color. Just click this color. Any color you can apply. I'm just choosing this color. Just say OK. Then just apply it. Like that we can apply the model. Just say OK. In this tutorial we'll learn how to model this component using NX. Next tutorial we'll come up with a new component. If you like this video, please share to your friends, and for more videos please subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching my videos. Thank you.